beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady Joe? My darling people, today topic came now about one video when I see one video where they beat one man where go thief things for inside kind of mechanic, all those mechanic people. I don't know why una come dey do this kind of thing. Somebody give you car, make you repair, you go there, go the thief. It no good. The man trust you. You go the thief things for his side. My darling people, I go put the video down more than this thing. I don't know what they worry some of our people. I don't know really. Somebody give you car, trust you. Then the next thing you can go the thief things. It's no good. Do you understand? Here we are with big boy and angel. So my darling people, I go put the video now more than listing. Because of one of the speaker do, the man go thief things for his car. So now they don't cash am now. So he now they beg. Say me they no beating you, I beg you. Say you no get papa, get mama again o. Say if they just put it for prison, go you condemn for there, you no get money. The one I will start to the beat him now safe, but I go cover that part where they want start to the beat him. So I go get people more now listing. And I go see whether the man do away or you not do away. I go put the video now. So before you start to the watch, please subscribe and thumbs up for me, please. Always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Let me put the video now for you to watch. Bye.
Why fear you? Why fear me?
Why fear you?
You are close to why? Am I not buying? I was shippery. Was shippery. Hola. Ebo view eh? Eja pana view eh? Water, I feel I just need it back.
I have here we go. I believe by like cause. They must be good. Okay, I will go. Hey man, I could do it. I will go. The one for what I want to be busy. So not my yard. You wouldn't be sick in it. Or what I about what you know, or come next week.
In that city, I get one of your new female. Why you? The boy of him? No, very better. Okay, now you shall labor. What are you doing here?
No, the 1,000.
Where are we going anyway? Okay. Now, that thing, no way in here. I wasted 2 days. Yeah? On our so exhaustive. It could have moved here. Now the Mugara mechanic, I will drop a. I don't have to screw you where Odukun. They have to come from the engine and I drop it on Kodukun or buy and I have where they give me double work. You know, you have done it out there, yo, because of fucking 3,000. Yeah? No, guy, with the 2 in the 3. And again, no more of a motor. When I'm 5,000, the new one is 3,500. The bed joint there, which is 5,000. How to tell you a problem? But when I feel why you, in my motor, no, you was say, my converter. I'm waiting. Why? Why I can't hear the voice, Abby? And when I be me. I want to feel the why want to feel the eh? You was what? Why who feel it? My lower there. Yeah, police station. Okay, yeah, lower there, man. I have seen where police. When I saw, when I saw. Where have you here? Eh, where lady? Tell me, why have you here? But I left the song with you overnight. You don't trust you, where? My come na here, right? Trusted you when the boy and winner. We motto, go and more the way weather. I trusted you. Then a day you wait it ballet for with the whole exhaust from beginning to the end. You know, say, can we see motor? We see motor. You have the barrel here. The commander, walla. You make an weather. I'm waiting for job. Let me tell you, a converter, the man know we motto. Let's say, the man know we motto. A converter or filter emission gas no kg ladia. Then when I test motor will nothing. The motor is condemned. I when I tell roadworthiness. For how many emission elakpo. Now, una why? Tell me why. And the kero ye. What take kero ye? Now I go fury, it was what? Oma have your here. I will not go out. Before 5 million people for we condemn them. Tell me, what ye? I want my things back. What?
Where's the Catholic? It's a question. Where the Catholic? They will not want too much question.
Why if you ever get one?
Look camera.
Why have you here? What is why? You remember? But on idea, you only have to swear. You go near losing. But I go to where me and here you will look by. But you only make sure we marry we marry. That is the reason. I 1 million go 10 naira. Yeah? So you ought to make sure we marry we marry because you are swear what we marry. Now tell me exactly when we have your hair. Well, what time? Tomorrow kino ye ko swear. Oh, well, I lower it. Police be moya be lower would I when I swear yes swear when yes swear or river. You know what I mean? Until who saving we have your hair. Why could go on? I will feel me, wife me, what get could go on. Yeah. Voilà bien. Voilà bien. Et là maintenant, quoi le amour, on la ouïa. Ok. Guariao.
Which level? You say the Catholic.
Hein? Madame.
The Catholic.
What level?
Davio. Ba menu be na ma nya chana egbe awo ya hono ego ideyo wala me awe na wa gbo ama aya mu fo a akegbe family owe ami mi we ne ebe se no ebe se oh no I want look here na o to do emu o to do emu I want look here na o to do emu ayo oni ona alwe bati on look here na o see what Lorigo I don't know what you're going to shut up. I don't more way. I don't mama. What do I better? What is my bad name? Now we are going to fight back. Watch on, Numuna. Austin. Came up? All of the Yoji. Oh, Aloe. Why are you there?
Fresh pot.
I can't drop it out, Beko, to drop it here. But you have joined. That our mission, that guy is condemned. And mission. That guy is having 100% carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Hey, one up but what have you in? Right? Now, then we answer, Kebaba Buabo or not. That's why. Amata. You have a woman, or I do rabbit. Then was there. Na bu boa na fia we o anu ya ere a na pa wa kon a de no ase wo pe me ro we ekira ai kimie Who? Huh? C'est police here. Huh? Oh, I know.